Just a moment now. Isn't that plastic stop you from getting a mud stripe up your back and arse?
But it doesn't look cool. I gotta look cool, man. I'm getting rid of this big, ugly tailpiece.
So what you're saying is instead of a butt lift, the KLX is getting a butt reduction?
Exactly. Getting rid of Phat Fanny.
Just a moment now. Isn't that plastic stop you from getting a mud stripe up your back and arse?
Well, you know, I mean, but it doesn't look cool. It doesn't look cool, man.
So I managed to get my electrical connections all undone here. It's a bit of a pain in the butt because there's so much dirt caught in there and I haven't owned this bike that long. So, alright, so we got the new taillight hooked up, ready to test. Gonna plug it in and, oh jeez, wow, maximum struggle. I need a cup of coffee. Jesus. Woo! She warm. Oh yeah.
That looks pretty good from here.
So all done with the KLX, you can see behind me here, all finished. Install was definitely harder than they make it out to be. Part of that was because I have the luggage racks on there too, so taking the seat off becomes a whole other ordeal of threading bolts through multiple connecting pieces. The only other thing I can think of that they didn't really mention is the relay for the LED blinker. It goes on the left side here. It's underneath this panel.